Is this for Professor Franklin?
Oh, do come in.
Oh, yes, sir. Oh, it's an honor to meet you.
Yes.
Well, this must be the E99 lab.
Yes, welcome to E99 England department. Now, you see, we're having this very interesting experiment on the DNA within this plant.
Well, sir, I have a quick question, if you don't mind, I don't mind. What are the different variations between species?
Oh, so there's genetic, environmental, or both?
Oh. So, sir, would you mind telling me what is the difference between genetic and environmental differences?
Oh, of course not. You see, this plant has been in the staff bathroom for at least 4 years. Its species, it's a very short plant because of its DNA contained inside. However, it still makes a difference because this plant has been in the staff bathroom for 4 years, and the methane level in the staff bathroom is tremendously high. Because of that, the carbon dioxide and oxygen level has decreased, which makes the plant furtherly smaller. Compared to the plant on the pitch over there, the plant on the pitch will be much taller and higher and healthier than this bathroom plant. Now, why don't I call my colleague, Professor Romanovich,
Sure, that'll be great.
to give you further knowledge of examples of such kind of things. Romanovich!
So, young lad, what you want to know, hey?
I know you. You are Professor Ivan from E99. So, I wish to know what are the factors of what are the environmental factors?
That affect the rate of growth, right?
Yes.
Good question. Okay. Say the first most fundamental thing, right? Say this bathroom plant never even seen lots of light in a day. It wouldn't be as tall as those gorgeous plants out there. You see, because light gives photosynthesis. If there's a lack of light, then photosynthesis will be decreased, therefore less will be grown. The second factor, water and mineral ions, okay? Water is really important as well, and is a part of photosynthesis, and therefore it would affect the plant growth as well. Same as mineral ions. If there's a lack of potassium, for example, there will be less chloroplast, which absorbs less light, photosynthesis. Now the third one, of course, is carbon dioxide. As Professor Franklin mentioned, this bathroom plant it had 2 liters of carbon dioxide compared to others near the Chinese roads. They are full of carbon dioxide to grow. So, you want an example, hey?
Yes, of course.
Oh, you all know Robin and Felix, right?
Yeah.
Now, say they were born in Deutschland, alright? Which they were. Now, I send Felix into England and let Robin stay in Deutschland. Well, obviously, they're gonna eat different things. Felix is gonna eat fish and chips, and Robin is gonna drink beer with sausages. Obviously, after 10 years, for example, they'll be very different. One will be fat and short, one will be tough and strong. So that shows that different environmental factors can affect the human beings or plants.
Thank you, Professor.
No problem. So, to summarize, well, plants, they're different because of their genes. They're all the same when they're born. However, environmental factors can change the way they grow. For example, there could be light, there could be amounts of water and mineral, and amounts of carbon dioxide. These 4 factors can affect the height of the plant. The same principle applies to humans as well. Just like twins, they have the same genes. They look alike, but they're not identical because the environmental factors and other things influence the way why they're different.
You see, all this is very easy to understand. Oh no! It's the Americans! They're here to get E99 again! No! Damn you!
Stop videotaping! Quit that camera! What would happen to Professor Franklin? What will be the destiny of E99? To be continued.